Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I accidentally ended the video. So like I was showing you, I want to show you all this, but look, it's right up to my, it's right. Hold on, I need to put this down. I want you. Come on, get off. Hold on, it's gonna probably take a while. Okay, so it's like right up to here, like right there, and then okay. Now I have this frog. So I don't know about it. Okay, so leave a description below if you have this, because it's everywhere, and I see everyone have this. It's Springtrap. If you don't know, you see that pink right there. If you don't know, those toes, they're Purple Man. People call him Purple Puma. Everyone like laughs when I say it because purple, poo, because Puma. Okay. Oh my gosh. Keep dropping everything. I tripped like five times. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is my bracelet of my YouTube. Okay, so this is my bow tie. This is its bow tie, not mine. Look, it has green eyes. Look, green, blue. What's the difference? Well, this one's tinier than this one. So you have to lift it up. Okay, my polar bear. I got this in San Diego Zoo. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you went to San Diego Zoo, because this is what I got from San Diego Zoo. So it looks so cute. I like sleep with it every day. Oh, this is I like too. If you don't know Pokemon, people call it Pokemon, but it's Pokemon. So look, you see this can't open? I have to do this view. Look. Okay, I'll be making a video of these, so don't worry about what I'm showing you all of these about. Okay, look. Yeah. And I'll make a video about all of the rest. Okay, bye.